Hello my dear students and welcome to Unit 2, The Tsunami. This is the second unit of Honeydew and we are doing fourth part, and in this part we will be doing question answers and the textual grammar, as these two things are only left. So are you all ready with your textbook and notebook? Okay, so let's start with the first question, which is from working with the text. So let's do working with text. Let's do working with text, page number 30. Question number 3. How are Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Answer is Meghna and Alma's both were lucky. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. She was washed ashore by a wave. Almas climbed onto a log of wood. You can see this picture. This is the log of wood. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a hospital in Kamorta. Then we'll do question number 4. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? Tilly foresaw the danger of tsunami at once. She became hysterical. Her parents did not ignore her. They were sure that something wrong must be going to happen, so they all left the beach and were saved. If I were in place of Tilly's parents, I might not have believed her, because you know that she behaved in a very awkward manner, but it was very fortunate that her parents responded to that. I might have scolded her for making such a situation. Question number 5. If Tilly's award was to be shared, who do you think he should share it with, her parents or her geography teacher? What do you think, children, to whom she should share? Yes, you are correct. She should definitely share it with her geography teacher. Tilly's award should be shared with her geography teacher. Her parents could not guess the tsunami was coming. It was her geography teacher who had shown her class the video about earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides, due to which Tilly could make out the danger of tsunami. Question number 6. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in the tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? We have already discussed while reading this chapter also. Very few animals were killed in the tsunami. Perhaps they feel the tremor much before humans do. As I told you, human beings live in concrete houses, and these animals, they live more close to nature. Say they know much more about the activities which is going beneath the earth. Secondly, the animals have 6 senses. We have got 5 senses. Eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, skin to feel. Okay, so we have 5 sense organs. 6th means जो हम लोग guess करते हैं, जो हमें intuitions आते हैं. So that is the 6th sense. So all the living creature have got 5 senses. 6th is जो वो लोग अंदाज़ा लगाते हैं, intuition होता है, that is 6th sense. They can guess the coming disaster and so run away to safer places or higher ground. The idea that the animals are gifted with the 6th sense is more believable. They move fast to get over the crisis. Working with language, page number 31, first question. Go through part 1 carefully and make a list of as many words as you can find that indicate movement of different kinds. Okay, some movements are very fast, some are very, okay, they have given the categories 3 as fast movement, slow movement, neither slow nor fast. Can you explain why there are many words in one column? So that is this activity. So here you can see the 3 columns. You have fast movement, slow movement and neither slow and fast. So fast movement, they have written fall once, rushed 3 times, swept away 3 times, washed away once. And slow movement means जो बहुत धीरे move हुआ, that is rising, receding, Floating is neither slow nor fast. So there are more words in column A. These are related to fast movements of escape from tsunami. Obviously, if there is a natural disaster, we all people will try to escape or will try to get rid of that particular situation. So it has to be fast. So it was natural for men and animals to make fast movement in such situation. The waves also overtook some people very fast and washed them away. Now in question number 3, you can see that we have got two columns. Meghna was swept away, the waves swept Meghna away. You can find there are few changes, okay, very few changes in both the sentences and more or less both are same. So can you recognize which is this? Yes, this is about active and passive voices, okay. We have passive voice and we do have active voice. So in this particular exercise, you are going to identify which one is active and which one is passive. So someone stole my bicycle. This is active. Children, in passive, you can identify like this also. The action of active is the doer of passive. In passive, you will find past participle and by would be there, but it is not always. Sometimes that by is hidden. So many times you can find that by in passive. The tires were deflated by the traffic police. Just now I said that by. So this is passive. I found it last night in a ditch near my house. This is active. I had been thrown there. Passive. My father gave it to the mechanic. It is active. The mechanic repaired it for me. This is active. Now you have one more. Speaking and writing. Suppose you are one of the volunteers who went to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this particular speaking and writing which you find, this is about a story, diary writing. So diary writing we will be doing that in grammar. So this textual diary writing we are not doing, okay, since we have grammar section differently and this we will be doing it in a different way. So we are not doing this particular question. So leave that. Then moving on, question number 2, you have filling the blanks. The clue is given in the bracket. This I want you to do it by yourself. In the PDF I will be sending the answers, but before that you write, and when I send the PDF you can check with your answers. The earth trembled but not many people felt the find out. Okay, so blanks are there and in the bracket it is homework. You will be writing working with the text which is on page number 30, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in your notebook. You will be writing working with language, page number 31. Question number 1 you will write in the notebook, question number 3 in your textbook, and working with language, question number 2 you will be writing it in the textbook. Is it clear, children? So thank you and take care. Bye.